Hello and welcome to my video. I would like to show you another project that I've built, and it's a museum project related to new opportunities with AI, artificial intelligence. And in particular, I'm interested in how can I use AI to create user interface or user experiences with user interface elements. So far we have a lot of AI chatbots that are very text-based or that generate assets like images. But I think there's still a lot of potential for creating a user experience that is actually influenced by AI. And the great tool for this is the AI SDK by Vercel, which I've linked at the bottom here of this page. And what this SDK does, it helps you to create an AIState, which makes it possible for AI model in the background to remember the instructions that you pass to it and actually have a continuous conversation. For example, I, in this example, used the OpenAI API. All right, so let's jump into a couple of use cases I've thought about here. So yeah, this is kind of a prototype for a museum planner. And yeah, we all know the typical ChatGPT interface. So I still kept that. So as a user, I've built it in a way that the user, you have the choice. Do you want to chat with the application or do you want to interact with the UI elements? So you can just chat with it. And yeah, it will respond to you. The website has been instructed to take on the role as a museum planning assistant of the museum, and yeah, you can just chat with it and ask it everything you can think about. For example, just yeah, and then it just gives you a couple of pieces of advice for what you could do. And yeah, I can go more in specific and can say, okay, I want to plan my visit like you recommend me to. What exhibitions are there currently? And now we will see, it doesn't just generate text, but you could actually UI elements back. So here are some three, the AI actually invented three fictitious exhibitions. These are not real exhibitions, but they're presented to you in a way that they are actually UI elements. And yeah, we can continue like this. And by the way, yeah, I've chosen the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam, for example, as an example here because yeah, it's a very interesting, cool museum with a cool collection of Rembrandt and Vermeer, and they also have a they're very pioneers when it comes to open data. So a lot of their assets, of the digital assets, are publicly available as open data. So yeah, if you want to look into open data and art, I think their collection from the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam is pretty remarkable, and they're pretty cutting edge with this. So yeah, as I said, we can just simply start chatting, or we can also look at some specific use cases here. So just for random use cases, for example, okay, I want to buy a ticket. Again, and now you see we have UI elements, and we can actually interact with them. So we can select here entrance adult and select the date. Let's say I want 5 tickets or 7 tickets, I don't know. And it will purchase this for you. And yeah, here are your tickets. You can download them, and you got your tickets. Um, let's see how we can engage by actually just chatting with it and doing the exact same thing. And yeah, in this case, I don't select the element, but I just chat with it. And yeah, it recognized my input. And Now I want to proceed with my purchase. Okay, and I've purchased my tickets, and now I say, please show me my tickets. Yeah, and again, we see we had two ways of going there. We could actually engage with the UI, or we could just chat with the program. We could also play a little bit of a mini game, and again, we can see that we have two ways here. We can actually interact with the UI, or we can chat with the program to make us heard. So now it asks me which of the paintings are by Vermeer, the artist, and me, a cultured person that I am, knows that it's number 2, the milkmaid, and I selected, and I was correct. And yeah, let's play one more time. And now, instead of selecting the UI, I will actually chat with it. So, and again, I was correct. So again, you saw you have two opportunities how to engage with this. And this is all possible because the SDK remembers the state of the AI in the background. And yeah, I mean, you can do, these are just some prototype use cases which are not connected to real APIs. So this was not a real ticket API. And this, for example, this is just a concept idea where the AI starts looking for you to related images. So I asked the AI, okay, find me images related to the night watch or art pieces. And I did not give the AI this input. So the AI found these related images themselves and explanations why they are related to that image. Um, but yeah, it's pretty limited. But you could connect it, for example, to a real big database of a museum or an art history database, and then you would be able to, yeah, get even more information or get even more different input. Um, this case, yeah. But these are some of the opportunities that are possible with combining AI with user interface elements. And let me know what you think. Um, Oh, let's maybe briefly I can show you some of the code. But yeah, I would recommend just jumping into the Vercel chatbot template, which I used for this project as well, and just start exploring it. And one of the elements of it are here in this actions component, this actions file. This is where you have to give pass the instructions to the AI. So you're an assistant that helps prepare for your visit to the Rijksmuseum. And then you give him here certain possibilities, like for example, if the customer wants to buy a ticket, we call a show ticket tour, and then we define tours. So we have different tours down here that we have to define, and that gives gives the gives the application further instructions on how to proceed, how to generate content here. And yeah, thank you very much for your attention. This was my little AI UI museum application. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.